How to fix WhatsApp problem. So if you're facing a problem with WhatsApp, or if you're not receiving any messages, or if you're not receiving the notifications, or if you're facing any problem, anything with your WhatsApp, then you need to simply tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can go for app info. And under your app info, now you can go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And now your major problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next step is to update your application. Open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then go for the search bar and search for WhatsApp. And here, if you have an update option, then you might face many problems. So simply go for update and make your WhatsApp up to date. And after updating your WhatsApp, now your problems will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. Once you update your WhatsApp application, you need to restart your device. And after restarting your device, your problems will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your WhatsApp problems. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.